So the triple appearance of number 555, guys, that is implies the energy of change. So expect life to move quickly, no, in these coming days or weeks. So you might experience sudden ending. Actually, that fade the way of surprising new beginning and deeper understanding. So that is about transformation, and then surrender and trust. Then release those old and trust your intuitions and embrace the change. So that's why the spirit guide wants you to go for it. That's all that you need to do. No, I wanted you to add today's affirmations. I trust the divine unfolding of my life and welcome the wind of change. I will repeat, no?